All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are out here in beautiful Lynchburg, Tennessee, and we're here for the Company Distilling grand opening of their Lynchburg location. And Mary's going to hold my place here in line. I'm going to take a walk around and show you the crowd, what we have going here today, okay?
All right.
All right. A lot of people showed up. Everybody's kind of in line here. And they're getting ready to cut the ribbon.
Exactly. I know, I've already been, yeah, I've already been done. Cut the ribbon.
Okay, so I'm Marcia Hale. I'm president of the Moore County Chamber of Commerce, and I would like to welcome Jeff back to Lynchburg. He's been a few years, but we're going to welcome him and the Company Distilling Company to Lynchburg. We're glad you're here.
Thank you.
Yes.
And I just want to thank you all for coming today. I want to thank the Lord for nice weather today. For both answered and unanswered prayers and finding a way sometimes when we thought there wasn't a way. He's been faithful. I appreciate it.
Amen.
See you. I want to thank Johnny Kathy Manis for Nate Tucker. They were the previous owners of this facility. For entrusting it to us. They put a lot of blood, sweat, tears into this. They felt like we were the right people to carry on the vision of what they started here. Slightly different than what they did, but hopefully it's something that this town is going to be proud to have on the square. I want to thank the board members for believing in this possibility and the willingness to take on the risk of over 100-year-old buildings and all the things that might come along with that. I really appreciate y'all guys and y'all support. The OLG, I can't say enough good things about them. We turned the keys over to this building for them in early February. They tore it down, the concrete walls and completely rebuilt. So about 100 days. I know the president bragged about his 100 days. He's got nothing to throw up. You guys are off. Incredible. The Sloan, the Spain, to Sport Society, thank you for working with us to see this vision come to life on the corner of the square. And for the local company team, y'all have killed it. Thank you so much. Cassie and Hannah, when you go inside, I think you'll be impressed with the mood, the team, all the things Cassie brought to the table as our director of retail and marketing. My mom, my dad, my brother, my niece, nephew, my cousins. I look around and I know we have people from all across Tennessee. We also have across the pond for here today. So truly an international everybody. Got classmates here. I haven't seen in a long time. I'm super proud to have y'all guys here and to host you anytime you want to come to Lynchburg. I just want to say one thing. When the company was looking at coming here, we never saw this as being any type of a competition. We want to compliment what this town already does and does well. And what you see that we'll do going forward is just that. Called ourselves a company because we were born during the pandemic. They were discouraging people from being together, but we felt like it's important to gather around. We wanted to provide the space. I like to do that. But thank you all for coming. Cheers, and here's the Company Distilling.
All right. Looks like a great speech by Jeff. So let's go inside and take a look and see what all the hubbub's about. All right, Jeff, congratulations on the opening here in Tullahoma. How's it feel to be back home? Sorry, you guys were talking Tullahoma.
Yeah, I was going to say, Tullahoma's just up the road. I've been there off and on for about 20 years here in Lynchburg. This was home to my kids for about 10 years of their life. It's great to be back. Leaving Jack Daniels, I think, is really bittersweet for me because I love the people in Lynchburg. I love the people that make Jack Daniels what it is. I give heart and soul to it every day. So to be back and offer something I think that's complimentary, not competitive with Jack Daniels, but something that's complimentary for what they already do well in this town. Just giving people a place to sit down, talk with one another. I'll have a cocktail. I call it putting icing on the cake for the town of Lynchburg. Hopefully, everybody comes to see us soon. Looking forward to hosting you.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, everybody, make sure you get down here to Lynchburg. You know what? There's more than one in town now. You need to come and say hello and enjoy some great cocktails. It's a great company. Whoa, that was a great grand opening.
Yeah, there was a lot of people here. There's pretty much just standing room only inside of Company Distilling.
Yeah.
We did get 2 great bottles. We got to sample.
Yeah.
And we couldn't make up my mind, so we ended up buying 2.
Yeah. Review to come in the near future. So if you guys find yourselves down here in Lynchburg, make sure to stop by Company Distilling here on the square. It's a real short walk from Jack Daniels. There's plenty of parking around the square. Come down, bump into Jeff, say hello, and try some really interesting whiskeys. All right, well, I think that's going to do it for us today. So we are going to be off to the next one. And until next time, everybody.
We only have this one life to live.
So make it about family, good friends, and great whiskey.
Until next time, our friends.
Cheers.
Cheers.